Hey everyone, it's Walking from Motorola, and today we're going to get hands-on with the new Moto G06. This just might be the best budget smartphone you haven't heard about yet, and let's unbox the brand new Moto G06 and see what it's all about. Right on top, we've got the phone itself, the Moto G06. And in the box, you'll also find the usual paperwork, a SIM injection tool, USB charging cable, and protective case. Always nice to see these included. Now let's check out the phone. First impressions, it's sleek, lightweight, and the finish looks really nice for an affordable device. On the back, you've got 50 megapixel camera system, and up front is a 6.9 inch HD Plus display with a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, which is great at this price point. Let's power it up. You'll notice it's running Android 15 right out of the box, giving you a clean and smooth software experience. You're also getting a 5,200 mAh battery, so it should easily last you through a full day, if not more. Inside, it's powered by the MediaTek Helio G81 Extreme processor and 4 GB of RAM, handling everyday tasks like social media and light gaming without any issues. We have also included a fingerprint reader and a 3.5mm headphone jack, which I know a lot of people will appreciate. So that's the unboxing and my first hands-on of the Moto G06. Honestly, it feels like a solid entry phone with really premium touches, especially that smooth 120 Hz screen and big battery. So thank you very much for watching. Please leave us a comment and let us know what you think about the new Moto G06.
Hello, Moto.